Yep, we're finally gonna try it. David's Tea Cold Brew Berry Burst. There was 2 other flavors and I thought this one would be most to my liking. At $19 a canister, I thought I better just get one to try first. I love the canister first. Like, it is a thicker tin can than like their silver tin cans that you get. At least it feels very sturdy. And then I love how the lid, like, it looks like a little pop can, soda can, whatever, wherever you are and whatever you call it. The tea came in a plastic bag like this inside this tin can, and I took it out of the plastic bag and emptied it right into this wonderful, fun tin can. I love it. It seems like it is kind of 3 pieces. So you have the top, the bottom is put on, and then the middle part. So that's how the construction goes. This is a black tea base. The ingredients are apple, black tea, hibiscus blossoms, artificial strawberry flavoring, artificial raspberry flavoring, raspberries, strawberries, and stevia extract. It's a product of Germany, and for 1 cup or 250 milliliters, it's 5 calories, 1 gram of sugar, 20 milligrams of potassium, and 10 milligrams of calcium. What David's Tea says about it on their can, they say, red berry bomb. Endless refreshment starts with this fruity cold brew blend of raspberry, strawberry, and energizing black tea. Just add cold water for a bitter-free tea that'll leave you feeling 100. On the side, so I was a little bit confused when I went to make it, on the side it says it makes 50 to 68 ounces of iced tea, or 1.5 to 2 liters. You use 6 perfect spoons, cool water, and you fill the pitcher. So they show a picture of their pitcher. They say that you can put it in the fridge for 2 hours, and this is what, like, this is what my delay has been. Or you leave it at room temperature for 1.5 hours, and then you enjoy over ice, and they call it low caffeine. So all of the cold brews that I have been seeing are kind of like, you put it in your water bottle or you put it in your water, and then like 5 to 10 minutes later, it's ready to go. So I was a little shocked that this actually took that long. Yeah, not quite sure. I also want to try to figure out what the actual cost is. It smells amazing. Like, it is just like burst of berries at you. It's like it's like you're running through a field of like all the best red berries. That is very loud, sorry. And the can is so cute, very adorable. I just love it. So I looked up online to see what they suggested, and they said 1 to 2 perfect spoons for every 16 ounces. So I used 4 perfect spoons from David's Tea, full of this tea, added that into my container and filled it up with tap water for 32 ounces worth of water. Then I waited 1.5 hours. I left it at room temperature, so that's why I just waited the 1.5 hours. And then I went and strained it into a lovely decanter. I love this container. It's just adorable. So now we're going to pour this over ice. I didn't want to put ice into my container because I didn't want to water it down anymore. So in walks the favorite tumbler from David's Tea. I am completely stunned and amazed at how well this keeps things cold. I have it full of ice, and we're going to add, this is the silicone straw that I had just talked about in a previous video, and somebody had asked, I think it was Elsie, she had asked if the silicone straws actually fit in the favorite tumblers, and they do perfectly. I really like it. Now I'm a little, wondering how it's gonna do getting down through the ice, but we're gonna see. In goes our tea. Why does this feel like it's crooked? I think it is a bit crooked. Maybe this is crooked. Maybe, baby, this is crooked. Okay, stop singing. I hear ya. There we go. It smells lovely. Okay. So once the ice starts moving around, the straw kind of gets right down there. And I love this straw, like really matches very well with this tumbler. So pretty. I really like these straws. I don't really care for the plastic straws that come with it. So I went and I got the metal straws, and I found that the metal straws were great. I really liked them, but every once in a while I'd smash my teeth into them. So I figured this would be like a safety straw for me. All right, let's give it a try. Oh, you're gonna love it when an iced tea just makes you giggle. Oh, that is like, it has like, you know, that pucker power from like sourness and tartness, where like all the glands in the back of your mouth are just like, woo! That is exactly what is happening for my taste buds. So I grew up loving, maybe not loving, I grew up on Kool-Aid with barely any sugar. So my brother and I always joke that, you know, that's why we like diluted, like less sugary drinks. It has like, it's a lot of tart at the beginning. It's very like crisp and juicy though. It's definitely that red berry. It's not as if you're tasting like a lot of the black tea or anything like that. It's very, very like red berry juicy. Like some sort of candy that I've had before that is just delicious. I would hands down, like I would buy this again. I just wish that it wasn't such a pain in the butt to make. And I know that sounds lazy, but I just really like the convenience of the other cold brews. But I would definitely buy this again. I think for my personal taste buds, I would probably use maybe 3 perfect spoons for 32 ounces of water. Yeah, I would just use like a little bit less of the tea to make it a little bit less concentrated. But that is good. I really like that. If you like, it's not overly sweet, so I wouldn't say that. I know it does have this stevia extract at the bottom, but I wouldn't say that it's like overly sweet. It's very well balanced. It's very juicy, very like tart with that like hit of like sour in the back, which, you know, I adore. So, I would give this 2 thumbs up from my taste buds. I want to know, have you tried this? What are you thinking? Are you going to get one of these? What is your thought of DAVIDsTEA's Cold Brew? Let me know in the comments down below. I will see you down there. Until next time, take care. Bye. Bop, bop, bop. I'll tell Jeanette this is horrible. And isn't this so pretty? Why am I doing that? I don't know.